Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we have a very interesting topic: why your brain loves procrastination.
Yes, procrastination. Do you know this word, Emily?
Oh, yes, Paul. Procrastination means waiting or delaying things you should do. For example, you should study, but you watch TV instead. That's procrastination.
Exactly. And guess what? Your brain actually likes it. Don't worry, we'll explain why.
And we will also help you practice English while we talk about procrastination. So, let's start.
Emily, do you ever procrastinate?
Hmm. Yes, sometimes I need to clean my room, but I check my phone first.
Me too. Yesterday, I needed to write an email, but I watched funny videos instead.
Ha ha! That's classic procrastination. But why do we do it?
Well, our brain likes easy and fun things. If a task is hard or boring, our brain says, let's do something easier first.
Ah, so it's not just being lazy. It's our brain's way of looking for fun and comfort.
Yes, and that's why understanding procrastination can help you stop it.
1. At home. Paul, I should start my homework now.
But it's Friday evening. You can relax a little.
True. Maybe I'll watch one episode first.
That's okay. But remember, one episode can become 3.
Oh no, you're right. I better start now. 2. At work.
Emily, have you finished the report?
Not yet. I'm organizing my desk first.
Are you procrastinating?
Maybe I'll start in 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yes, the classic procrastination time.
3. With a friend. Hey, do you want to go for a walk?
I should clean my room. But okay, let's go.
Sometimes leaving the task and taking a break is okay too.
Now, let's learn some useful words about procrastination. 1. Procrastinate. To delay something. I always procrastinate my homework. Don't procrastinate, start now. She procrastinated and missed the deadline. Second deadline. The day or time you must finish something. The project has a deadline tomorrow. I like to finish work before the deadline. Third task. A job or work you need to do. My task today is to clean the kitchen. Can you help me with this task? 4. Motivation. The feeling that makes you want to do something. I need motivation to study English. Music gives me motivation to work. 5. Break. A short rest from work. Let's take a break. I drink coffee during my break. 6. Focus. To pay attention to one thing. I can't focus on my homework. Close your phone and focus on the task. 7. Comfort zone. Doing things that are easy and safe. Watching TV is my comfort zone. Learning new skills takes you out of your comfort zone. 8. Avoid. To stay away from something. I avoid cleaning my room. He avoids talking to strangers. 9. Stress, feeling worried or pressured. Procrastination can cause stress. I feel stress before exams. 10. Productive, doing something useful. I want to be productive today. Cleaning my room makes me feel productive. 11. Reward. Something good you get after work. I eat chocolate as a reward for finishing homework. Rewards can help motivation. 12th habit. Something you do regularly. Procrastination can become a bad habit. Reading every day is a good habit. 13. Instant gratification. Enjoying something immediately. Watching TV gives instant gratification. Studying gives long-term rewards, not instant gratification. 14. Delay. To wait or make something late. Don't delay your homework. The meeting was delayed by traffic. 15. Self-discipline. The ability to control yourself. Self-discipline helps stop procrastination. I need self-discipline to wake up early. Story 1. Paul's homework adventure. Yesterday, I had a big homework task.
Oh, what happened?
I wanted to procrastinate. I played games, checked my phone, and even made coffee.
Ha ha ha. Did you finish it?
Yes, at midnight. I was tired, but I felt productive after finishing.
That's a good lesson. Start early and reward yourself after work.
Story 2. Emily's cleaning challenge.
My room was messy for 1 week.
1 week? Wow.
Yes, I kept procrastinating, but I decided to clean one corner every day.
That's smart. Small tasks are easier than one big task.
Yes, after a week, my room was clean, and I felt proud and motivated.
Now, it's your turn. Repeat after us. 1. I don't procrastinate today. 2. I can focus on one task at a time. 3. I take short breaks to stay motivated. 4. Small steps are better than big delays. 5. Rewards help me finish work.
And answer these questions.
1. What do you procrastinate most? 2. Why do you think you procrastinate? 3. What is one small task you can do today instead of delaying it? Pause the video and answer. Then come back.
Let's review what we learned today.
First, procrastination is delaying tasks your brain finds boring or hard.
Second, your brain likes comfort, fun, and instant gratification.
Third, we learned many useful words. Deadline, task, motivation, break, focus, comfort zone, avoid, stress, productive, reward, habit, instant gratification, delay, self-discipline.
And we practiced real conversations, mini role plays, and some simple exercises to stop procrastination.
Remember, start small, use self-discipline, and reward yourself.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed learning these beautiful English words.
Remember, speak every day, even a little bit. Practice makes progress.
And if you liked this lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
We'll see you next time on Mr. English.
Paul, bye.